am Christina Geronko, co-founder of Tina Maids Franchise, a technology-driven cleaning business servicing residential patrons. Tina Maids offers a variety of customized cleaning services utilizing best-in-class products. Following an in-depth training, our staff leaves no stone unturned to ensure the best results and excellent customer satisfaction. Together with my husband William, we founded Tina Maids to bring a new and modern approach to the dated industry. With a background in software, web development, and digital marketing, William was able to bring a wealth of knowledge to the development of Tina Maids' technology-driven business systems. We were able to create an experience for customers that put the control of their cleaning service in their own hands. We call the system Tina Maids Click and Clean. No other cleaning company comes close to matching our intuitive system and technology. We developed a mobile application available for both iOS and Android, and an online portal where new and existing clients can log in, fill out a simple request, and in minutes receive a price and available date and times. They can also view invoices, make payments, schedule cleaning appointments, share thoughts and ideas, and communicate in real time directly with our team, backed by the highest levels of technical support. We also have an employee portal system where in-depth training, logistics, scheduling, and tracking technology, informative presentations, marketing tools, and a solid business model make it easy for you as a franchisee to stand out from the competition, concentrate on building a client base, and provide professional, consistent cleaning services. Our system provides a full marketing suite operated by our in-house experts to easily generate leads and customers for our franchisees. We also provide our franchisees with a dedicated webpage fully customized for your location, which integrates with our mobile app, creating leads for you even when you're asleep. Imagine waking up in the morning, looking at your Tina Maids app, and seeing new clients scheduled on your calendar. We provide a full customer support team to handle all of your clients' needs. We take on the boring part of running your business, letting you focus on hiring great staff and providing awesome quality services. We provide excellent communication through electronic reminders, newsletters, social media, and an intuitive customer support portal available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. With initial investment ranging between $38,650 and $52,900, which includes a franchise fee of $29,900, you get a well-established brand, comprehensive marketing and training support, and everything you need to transition from an entrepreneur to an experienced business owner. We provide you and any of your employees with a week-long on-site training at our Miami location, which is backed by our online learning center available at our employee and franchisee portal. We have created and implemented a combination of hands-on and online training programs that actively engage employees and allow them to learn the general day-to-day practices, learn about services, supplies, and how to provide professional, high-quality customer service with consistent results, which in turn leads to higher customer ratings. Our team of experts will guide you through the process of hosting recruitment events and training along with tips for managing your team of Tina Maids. As a franchise owner, you'll be representing a company whose main focus is on delivering outstanding service. If you're interested in a rewarding business opportunity in a growing industry, Tina Maids is perfect for you.